Papaya, also known as the fruit of the angels, is a tropical fruit that is not only delicious but also packed with numerous health benefits. This vibrant orange fruit is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help improve your overall well-being. One of the key benefits of papaya is its high vitamin C content. Just 1 cup of papaya provides you with more than the recommended daily intake of vitamin C, which is essential for a healthy immune system. Vitamin C is also a powerful antioxidant that can help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. In addition to vitamin C, papaya is also a good source of vitamin A, which is important for maintaining healthy vision, skin, and mucous membranes. Vitamin A is also essential for immune function and reproductive health. Papaya is also rich in fiber, which is important for digestive health. Fiber helps regulate bowel movements, prevent constipation, and reduce the risk of developing digestive disorders such as irritable bowel syndrome. Eating papaya regularly can help improve your digestion and keep your gut healthy. Another benefit of papaya is its high water content, which can help keep you hydrated and prevent dehydration. Staying hydrated is important for overall health and can help improve your energy levels, mood, and cognitive function. Papaya also contains enzymes such as papain and chymopapine, which have anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce inflammation in the body. Inflammation is a common underlying factor in many chronic diseases, so consuming papaya regularly can help reduce your risk of developing these conditions. Furthermore, papaya is a low-calorie fruit that can be a great addition to a weight loss diet. It is filling and satisfying, making it a healthy snack option that can help curb cravings and prevent overeating. The fiber in papaya can also help you feel full for longer periods of time, reducing the likelihood of snacking on unhealthy foods. In addition to its health benefits, papaya is also delicious and versatile. It can be eaten fresh on its own, added to fruit salads, smoothies, or yogurt, or used in savory dishes such as salsas and salads. Papaya can also be used to tenderize meat or as a natural meat tenderizer in marinades. When choosing papayas, look for fruits that are firm but slightly soft to the touch. Avoid papayas that are too hard or have blemishes or bruises. To ripen a papaya, leave it at room temperature for a few days until it reaches your desired level of ripeness. In conclusion, papaya is a nutrient-dense fruit that offers a wide range of health benefits. From boosting your immune system to improving digestion and reducing inflammation, papaya is a superfood that can help you feel your best. Incorporate papaya into your diet regularly to reap the many benefits it has to offer.